Hello students, welcome to ME431 Mechanical Engineering Lab video lectures. In your current S7 semester, you have only one lab sessions to attend, that is Mechanical Engineering Lab. Actually, this lab is an application of the theory portions of what you have learned in your current previous semester, that is in S6, the subject heat and mass transfer. Okay, the most of the experiment that you are going to do, they're going to conduct in your lab session is the applications of what all the theory portion that you have learned in your heat and mass transfer subject, like related to conductivity, radiation, then parallel flow and counter flow heat exchangers. Such experiments will be conducted in your lab sessions. So after conducting the experiments, you will get a much more clear idea of what you have learned, like a practical applications of your theoretical subjects. This is a syllabus for your subject, and the course objective is to conduct the various heat transfer experiments and calibrate to practice the calibration of thermocouples and pressure gauges like that. So the other than the heat transfer, you have some extra experiments related to your refrigeration, the subject you are going to study in this semester, and some calibration of some equipments. Okay, so these are the basic syllabus for subject mechanical engineering lab. The course outcomes for these subjects are conduct experiments to determine the thermal conductivity of materials, ability to apply the principle of heat transfer for the quantitative measurement and to compare the results with theoretical values, the ability to compute the natural frequency of simple vibrating systems, do calibration of thermocouples, and fifth one is ability to apply the principles of refrigeration for quantitative measurements. These are the 12 experiments that you are going to do in your lab sessions. First one is Stefan's Boltzmann apparatus. In which you have to find out the Stefan Boltzmann constant for a radiation heat transfer. And second one is composite wall apparatus. Then critical heat flux apparatus, heat transfer by natural convection, heat transfer by forced convection, and emissivity of measurement of radiating surfaces, parallel flow heat exchangers, counter flow heat exchangers, calibration of thermocouples, forced vibration analysis, refrigeration test rig, thermal conductivity of metal rod. These are the 12 experiments that you are going to do, and in detailed explanation for each topics or each experiments will be uploaded as next videos. So we all know the current situation, we couldn't conduct, we were not able to conduct the practical lab experiment. Anyway, we have to be very much familiar with this lab experiment. For that, I'm planning to conduct this lab through certain video lectures. Okay, for all these 12 experiments, I will upload different videos for explaining the theoretical part and the working of the experiment, or how you have to conduct those experiments. So through these videos, through watching these videos, you will be able to understand, or you will become familiar with all those videos. Further, uh, along with that, I would like to thank Mr. Joshi sir for his demonstration in our labs. So in our upcoming videos, he is going to explain all the experiments that we are going to do in our lab sessions. So students, watch all the videos carefully and try to understand all the experiments. Hop, we are hoping the situation may changes very soon, so that you will be able to do your experiments in our lab itself. All the best. Thank you. Watch the upcoming videos carefully.